Hello, a quadratic expression is always using the form ax squared plus bx plus c. While I was growing up, one of the challenges I had was factoring quadratic expression, because if we were asked to factorize, we would look for two numbers that if you multiply, you get your c, but if you add, you get your b. What if I give you an algorithm that will help you do that without thinking? Because what makes exam is that you write it within the time limit it is given. So if you were asked to factor, you have to do a lot of trial and error, but here you don't have to do it. Note that this algorithm works only for the case where x squared has a coefficient of 1. If it doesn't, you have to make x squared have a coefficient of 1, and I will do that in my subsequent video. So to look for my factors for expressing this particular x squared plus 5x minus 266, what do? I take my b. In this case, my b is 5. I will half it, then I'll square. If I square, I will end up with 25 over 4. What do? If my c is positive, I will subtract it from this, but if it is negative, I will add this. In this question, my c is negative, so I will have 25 over 4 plus 266. What do I have at the end of the day? I will have 1089 over 4. Then I'll square root this. I will end up with 33 over 2. So what will be my first factor? My first factor will be half of my b plus 33 over 2, which is 19. My second factor will be half of b, which is 5 over 2, minus 33 over 2, which is what? Minus 14. So these are my two factors, 19 and minus 14. If I multiply these two, I'll get minus 266, but if I add them, I'll get plus 5. Thank you. Bye-bye.